about to do a video on packing while I'm packing for camp, and I'm going to camp tomorrow, so let's get it. Alright, so we got some pants just in case it gets cold at night with the orange t-shirt, and then we got a sweater for nighttime, and then we got a tank top with some shorts, more shorts basically for the daytime. And then since I have these swim shorts, but since I don't have another one, I'm using like pajama shorts that I usually wear around. And then I got 2 white t-shirts, 1, 2, then with another orange shirt that matches with my orange and blue shorts, with 2 other shorts to wear to like bed. And then I got some warm joggers I could wear during night so I don't get bitten by mosquitoes. And then of course I got socks and underwear, but I'm not going to show you my underwear, so that'll be great. And then right here I got all my toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant. Find the other fucking zipper. Same thing. It's alright. So we're gonna set that up. And then we got some flashlights, some bright ass flashlights that turns into a laser. And then we click it one more time. And then we got this light too. This is all in one to see who touches what. See how handprints and all that. Yeah, that good stuff. So we got that one. And yeah, I got multiple flashlights just in case. And I got batteries for it all. This flashlight that also has a lamp, easy to use. This one too. Never have too much flashlights. This one's actually a lantern also, as well. Useful, and you can wear it on your neck. And we got this one. This one's also a freaking lantern. Was somewhat broken. I'm trying to fix that right now. It's fine though. Still works. And then we got my knife, my brand new knife I just bought. Hella sharp, brand new. Feels good. Hella sharp. Kind of just cut myself, but it's fine. Who cares? I don't care. Then we got this belt because my pants might fall down. So yeah, I basically got everything. The only thing I really need, actually that's about it, because I got extra batteries for the flashlights, batteries. And we're leaving tomorrow. So I just packed it. We're all set. Not forgetting anything. That's about it. That's my bag. It's not really a big deal about my bag, but yeah, that's about it. Now, I hope you guys liked that video. As you see, I'm watching a movie, but I took the time and effort to make this video. So see you soon with more videos. Stay tuned. Can't not speak today. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright. Tracy 17 out.